Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create custom fields in Asana, your complete guide for 2025. The first step is to navigate to the project where you want to add the custom field. This is critical because custom fields allow you to track specific attributes of a task, so placing them in the appropriate project is key. Now that we're there, look for the Fields option in the top menu. Click on it, then select Manage Custom Fields. This helps us because it's the control center for creating, editing, and managing all your custom fields. Once you're in the Manage Fields section, you'll notice a blue button on the right that says Create Field. Go ahead and click it. The reason we do this is it's the starting point to build your custom field from scratch. A new window will pop up. Here's where things get interesting. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your field. Choose something that clearly represents the data you want to track. Why does this matter? Well, a well-named field will help your team understand what information they should provide. Next up, you'll see the field type option. Asana offers 4 types: text, numbers, dropdown, and date. Select the one that best suits the data you want to track. This is crucial because the right field type ensures accuracy and consistency in task data. Let's say you choose the drop-down type. You'll then have to add options for the drop-down menu. Each option represents a status or category your task might fall into. This is important because it allows team members to classify tasks with a simple click, making project management more efficient. Finally, you can decide whether this field should be a project field or an organization field. Project fields are specific to the project you're in, while organization fields can be used across all projects. The reason we do this is to ensure that the field is available in the right scope to suit your needs. Click Create Field and voila, you've just created a custom field in Asana. Let me explain why this matters. Custom fields are a powerful way to add extra layers of information to your tasks, making project management more flexible and comprehensive. And that brings us to the end of our quick tutorial on creating custom fields in Asana. Remember, these fields are your friends, making your project management life so much easier. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.